Hello my friends! So in this video I'm going to repair this guitar neck. It's from a guitar I bought at a flea market, and the problem with this is I can't adjust the trussrod. So the Allen key fits perfectly, but it just won't move. So maybe it's jammed or corroded or whatever. But this way this neck is pretty much useless. So I do have a spare trussrod, but the problem is in order to change the trussrod I have to remove the fretboard. And the way this works is by heating the fretboard, and this should soften the glue. I don't know what kind of glue the manufacturer used to attach the fretboard, and not every glue reacts to heat. So I clamped the neck to my table, and now let's see if this is going to work. Coming loose. But I have to be careful because I don't want to break anything. So, there you go. I could remove it with nearly no damage. So everything's fine. Okay. Oh my god. No wonder I couldn't adjust it. Look at this. Look at this. Totally messed up. So here's a small problem. I installed the new truss rod, but it's much too small. The old one was much wider. So I could buy another truss rod, but I don't want to. Or I'm going to shim this Trussrod channel, so that it's actually a little bit smaller. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I think this will work. It does not have to be a perfect fit, but it has to be enough to prevent the trussrod from moving inside the cavity. So I have to remove all the glue residue before reattaching the fretboard to the neck. And using a little bit of water softens the glue, which makes it easier to scrape off. So there's still a little bit of glue left in the middle, but that's no problem because that's where the trussrod channel is. Well, there you go. So I still have some sanding to do, and then it needs a new finish. But hey, I got a working neck. So thank you for watching and see you next time.